and this is DG Overlanding. On this overlanding journey, which is going to be a day trip, we are going to Rietvlei Nature Reserve. It's not very far away, 62 kilometers from our home. It's in Tshwane, Pretoria. It's very nice. It's a smallish reserve, but you can drive around in a day. Lots of birds, lots of animals to see. So it's going to be a fantastic day. Enjoy the journey with us, and also please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you won't miss out on our other overlanding journeys and our campsite reviews that we do. Thank you very much. To the entrance to the Rietvlei Nature Reserve. It's the first gate that you go through, then there's the reception at the top of the road. Right, Rietvlei Nature Reserve. Now we're just arriving at the reception area for Rietvlei. Just go and pay. Right, so this is the reception area at Rietvlei Nature Reserve. It's where you go and pay and get your permit. It's very nice and clean. Toilets. And there is a little hall thing on this side. Right, so that's just the entrance, the gate. And there's a guy in his hut, in the hut. No pets allowed. Hello. Just a view of the Rietvlei Dam. The Rietvlei Nature Reserve goes around the dam. This dam provides a lot of water to Pretoria. Okay, we're going to go down one of the dirt roads in the park and see what we can see. It's drier than it was last time we were here. Jackal in the middle of the road. coming this way, so hopefully he'll come past us. There's another one a bit further down. All the roads are nicely signposted, so there's no problems with all the signposting. Shouldn't get lost anywhere. So this is Otto Bridge in the park. So you need to stay in your vehicle, you can't get out. Normally see a lot of birds and water birds here, but nothing today. So there are some birds here.
The Egyptian goose.
Well, on this side, isn't it? It's a yellow-billed duck, I think. I think that's what it is. 2 Egyptian goose and a yellow-billed duck, as far as I know. Just coming up to the Rietvlei coffee shop, and there's a picnic area here as well. We're going to go in, pour ourselves some coffee. It's very nice and neat. Grass has all been cut. So there are some toilets over here. The coffee shop is at the bottom. Coffee shop is down there. It's very nice and neat. You can picnic here as well. So we're just having some coffee. I've just poured coffee. There we are. Coffee and a hot cross bun. Sorry. So this is Rietvlei, where the coffee shop is. You can also picnic in this area. There's no camping allowed in Rietvlei, unfortunately. But it's very neat here. The grass is all being cut. It's very tidy. We're going to go down to the Island View bird hide. It's on the dam, so hopefully we'll see something down there. So this is the road to the Island View bird hide. There's the dam on that side. So that's just a view of the dam wall, the Rietvlei Dam. And on the left-hand side here, where those dead trees are, that's where the island is. So the hide is just in front of that. We're going to go and see. Sometimes there's a fish eagle, and there's lots of other birds down there normally. This is at the Island View bird hide. You're allowed to get out your vehicle, obviously, so you go into the hide. There is a toilet here if you need to use it. And here's the entrance to the hide. We're going to go down. Sanitizing stuff here as well. There's some dangerous game around. Buffalo, crocodiles, etc. There we are, that's the entrance into the hide. Let's go and see what we can see. There's some green water around. You can hear all the birds. So this is the Island View hide that we're at. Very quiet, not that many birds today, but there are some in the trees on the island. So there's a whole lot of birds and nests on the island. I don't know if you can see them from here. I think they're cormorants. There's sometimes a fish eagle around here, but I haven't seen it today. Lovely and quiet here. There is nobody else in the hide at the moment. That's why I'm talking. There's a bird flying past, going in the tree. So you can fish on the other side of the dam here. It's not in the nature reserve, but you can fish. There are some people fishing there. There are ablution facilities, and I do believe you can camp on that side as well, outside of the Rietvlei Nature Reserve. So that was Island View bird hide. We did see some birds there, not as many as normal, but it's very nice. You can get out your vehicle here, of course, because you're going to the bird hide, but there's a sign up to say that there are dangerous animals around. So we're coming up to some ostrich. Some ostrich. Inside there's male and female. This is the female and the male's a bit further down. Right, there's the male ostrich. There's another male further down the road as well, but yeah. Right, found this bird. I'll have to look up and see what it is. I'll turn around. Blesbok. You can see the white on the face, makes it a blesbok. A few of them there. We did see zebra in the distance, but they were a long way off. So these guys are not doing much, they're just grazing away. Right, some guinea fowl on the side of the road here. Right, so we're going to go into this hide, Fern Fountain hide. There's a lot of maintenance work being done, which is nice. They're busy painting the balustrades and things around here. So it's all really, really neat and tidy, and it's looking good. Okay, so this is into the hide, Fern Fountain hide. Oops. Sanitization place here. Toilets if you need them. All looking neat and tidy. And this is not lit or anything like that. They're busy painting, as I said. Okay, so we're still going down to the hide. It's a bit of a noise here. I think it's the workers. So there's a bench if you needed to sit and have some tea and coffee or picnic or what have you. There's a little bench here with a table. Looks out over the vlei. Right, we're just going into the hard. So this is the view from in the hard. Sounds like they're pumping water or something. I'm surprised there's not very many birds around. There's a plaque in the hide as well, birds of the Highveld. So you can see. You can hear they're working outside, maybe that's why there's no birds around. So there's a hide overlooking a valley. We're going to go up there and see what we can see from the top. Haven't seen much at the bottom, so let's go and see what we can see up top there. Right, so there's this hide that we saw just now from the bottom. The top here is called the panorama. We're going to go and see what's in there. It's quite a view across here actually. You can see the dam on the right hand side there. Very nice. So there's the entrance in. There's a path in front which looks like where the animals walk. And there's the dam in the background. Grootfontein Spruit. Let's see if there's any water in the spruit. It's just 4 zebra in the distance. And this is the Grootfontein Spruit, but it's got no water in it. It's as dry as anything. So this is just going to go over a river. We have seen this river almost in flood before. So this is the Rietvlei Spruit. It does have water in it. It's flowing nicely. Rietvlei Spruit. It's very nice. Right, some zebras in the road. There are some smaller ones there as well. And there's a bigger one on the side, on the left-hand side. Just grazing away. So there's a little zebra in the middle there. It's looking the other way, doesn't want to see us. I think those 3 are younger ones. They're not bothered to move out the road, so we have to just wait a bit for them. Right, mustn't know. Music on this one. Okay, so this is the road into the Murray Dam, which is also a picnic site. We're going to go and have a look at the picnic site and see what we can see there. Okay, I better get a move on. There's a car behind me. So this is just the walk down to the picnic spots by the dam, the Murray Dam. Okay, so this is at the Murray Dam, and it's a picnic spot inside Rietvlei Nature Reserve. You'll see the dam behind me. You can also see the picnic spots. I'll go around a little bit this way. You can see the picnic spots. There's a toilet here. There we are. You can see the picnic spots. So yeah, it's very nice here. So these are all the picnic spots down by the dam. Very scenic, very nice. Trouble is you've got to carry your stuff up and down a steep hill here. It's not really a problem. But there is also the picnic site at the coffee shop. We're going to go back to that one. There's Sue having a seat down there. So there were a lot of cars that came in behind us. I'm sure people will be coming down, but I saw some people also picnicking at the top. So there is a fence here, so relatively safe from the animals. They shouldn't be able to come in. So I see they're doing a lot of maintenance. It's looking very nice and clean and neat and tidy. Good. So we're going to go back to the coffee shop and have a picnic on that side. So that's an Otto Bridge. Right, we're going to set up our picnic here under the tree in the shade. I'll take a picture just now to show you what it looks like. Should be good. So there we are, it's getting set up in the shade. We're going to be doing jaffles. So we have our jaffle lines here, gas bottle, cool drinks, having lime juice. Okay, so there's a jaffle, one of them is done. And this one is on the gas, cooking up. It's going to be good. Turn it over quickly. Yep, looking goodly. Okay, so there are a couple of things to keep the children entertained as well. A couple of climbing apparatus. Looks like it's supposed to be a buffalo, so they can have some fun. And then there is also a swimming pool. Here is the swimming pool at the coffee shop. So this is the coffee shop, Rietvlei Coffee Shop. This is the swimming pool, doesn't look too bad. Here's the coffee shop. I won't go and film in the shop itself, but they do breakfast, lunches, teas, cakes, etc. The toilet areas. So there's our lunch thing. We're sitting under the tree.
There's a hammerkop sitting on a stump with 2 Egyptian geese.
And another little bird on the right.
Just minding their own business, waiting for fishies. Cat kingfisher. Just flown.
Okay, some zebras in the road. There we are. And there's some other ones back there. just standing and getting the flies away from them. Very healthy looking zebra, actually. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a zebra with an egret on it there. And these ones over here also have egrets on. So there's one there, and there's one there. Basically, all you can see on the grass is the egrets on top of the zebras. This one's moving. Some road maintenance. Right, you can see all the dust around. See how dusty it is. Right, some more zebra. There's a couple of birds in the road as well. It's very dry, very dry. Saw the dust just now. So there's some more zebra. There's a young one in the middle. So we're just about to leave Rietvlei. We've spent the day here. It's been a nice day. We haven't seen that many animals, but it's been nice to be out in nature. It's been good. The weather was quite warm, but it's got overcast this afternoon. Thought it was going to rain.